Nature is not a place to visit, it is our home. With this noble thought, Future Foundation School, Mysore, proudly celebrated World Environment Day 2026 with great enthusiasm and environmental awareness. The program began with a special inauguration ceremony. Mrs. Siada Govha Sultana, Secretary of Future Foundation School, along with Head Mistress, Mrs. Sumaya Banu and Trustee Mr. Arshan Hussain, inaugurated the event by planting a sapling, symbolizing our commitment towards a greener and healthier future. The celebration featured a variety of meaningful cultural activities presented by the students. Addressing the gathering, Mrs. Seda Govha Sultana, Secretary of Future Foundation School, delivered a wonderful and inspiring message.
Students, let's take the small example that as an inauguration ceremony, they asked me to plant that. I have done my job. Okay? What will be the next step? What should we do next? Will that one, today we have watered it little, is it enough for the lifetime? I'm asking you some questions, you need to answer to me. I have put little water today, will that water will be enough for some 100 days? So what should we do? What should we do? We should put water every day, correct na? Correct? Every day can I put some 10 buckets of water? No. How much I should put? As much as that plant need. So, all of you are sitting in front of me are exactly like those plants. The parents are there. The teachers are there. Okay? We will take care. But you also should take care of yourself. So the moment we stop watering that, the moment we stop taking care about that, it will not be alive. So you are also like those plants. No doubt the parents are taking care. No doubt the teachers are also taking care. But you also should take care of yourself and grow. Grow to 10 folds. Okay? Can anybody tell me I want the importance of a tree? What is that? Why it is important? What help we are getting? Loudly you have to answer from there. Why do we need trees around us? He is telling very good. He is telling plants gives us oxygen. Why we need oxygen? To? Okay, we inhale oxygen and exhale what? So who's absorbing that carbon dioxide? Plants are absorbing. So if there are no plants, the atmosphere will be full of carbon dioxide. What happens if the atmosphere is full of carbon dioxide? Imagine there is oxygen is getting reduced and carbon dioxide is increasing. 9th standard, 8th standard, 10th. No? Global warming. Very good. Global warming. What is that global warming? The word is very fancy. What is that? Slowly the temperature increases and we don't get oxygen to breathe. Okay? Now itself, cities like Delhi and all, they face lot of problem to breathe because atmosphere has got the other gases other than oxygen. So at least today we will promise ourselves that each one will take care of one small little plant or tree.
A thought-provoking skit highlighted the importance of protecting trees and the harmful effects of deforestation, spreading a strong message about environmental conservation. also performed energetic and colorful dance performances dedicated to Mother Nature, emphasizing the need to protect our environment for future generations.
हमको है जगना और है समझना, अपनी आंखें खोले और कुछ करे, अभी 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 आओ बनाए एक बेहतर कल, आओ शुरू करे अभी। हमारे ग्रह पर आई समस्या, आओ सुलझाए इससे मिलकर हम, अभी 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 आओ बनाए एक बेहतर कल, आओ शुरू करे अभी। आओ पेड़ उगाए, कचरा हटाए, गलती सुधारे, हाथ बढ़ाए हम, अभी 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 आओ बनाए एक बेहतर कल, आओ शुरू करे अभी। अब देर ना करना, आगे है बढ़ना, सवारे और बचाए हम, अभी 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 आओ बनाए एक बेहतर कल, आओ शुरू करे अभी। We need to wake up, we need to wise up, we need to open our eyes and do it now, now, now. We need to build a better future, and we need to start right now. We're on a planet that has a problem, we gotta solve it, get involved and do it now, now, now. We need to build a better future, and we need to start right now, and we need to start right now, and we need to start right now.
Adding to the significance of the event, students delivered inspiring speeches on environmental protection, climate responsibility, and sustainable living, encouraging everyone to become responsible guardians of our planet.
ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಿಶ್ವ ಪರಿಸರ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಜೂನ್ 5ರಂದು ವಿಶ್ವ ಪರಿಸರ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಪರಿಸರವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಆಧಾರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಗಾಳಿ, ನೀರು, ಮಣ್ಣು, ಮರಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಪರಿಸರದ ಭಾಗಗಳಾಗಿವೆ. ಇಂದು ಪರಿಸರ ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ, ಅರಣ್ಯ ನಾಶ, ಹವಾಮಾನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಾಗಿವೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡಬೇಕು, ನೀರನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಳಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿಡಬೇಕು, ಕಾಡನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ನಾಡನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿ ಎಂಬ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ಪಾಲಿಸೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Protect nature today for a better tomorrow. Morning everyone, I am Yusuf of grade 7. Today on the occasion of World Environment Day, I would like to speak few words about importance of environment. The environment is our life support system. It provides us clean air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and natural resources for our daily needs. A healthy environment is essential for the well-being of humans, animals, and plants. However, the pollution, deforestation, and climate change are harming our environment. If we do not take action now, future generations may face serious problems. Therefore, we must protect nature by planting more trees, reducing plastic use, and keeping our surroundings clean. Every small efforts count. By working together, we can create a cleaner, and healthier world for everyone. Let us pledge to protect our environment and make our planet a better place to live. Thank you. Happy environment.
The celebration concluded with an impactful environmental awareness rally where students marched enthusiastically through the campus, raising slogans promoting environmental protection, tree plantation, and a cleaner, greener world. World Environment Day 2026 at Future Foundation School was not just a celebration but a meaningful step towards creating awareness and inspiring young minds to become champions of environmental conservation. Together, let us nurture nature for a better tomorrow. Happy World Environment Day!